Here we have the first official hands-on and first look of the One UI 7. Also, we have the news related to the official release of One UI 7. But before talking about that, let's talk about One UI 7 first hands-on look. In a set of videos uploaded to YouTube, we get a look at One UI 7's new interface and redesigned features, like the app icons and notification shade. Samsung has taken the changes from last year's One UI 6 and improved them, creating a sleeker and more streamlined user experience. Samsung has also redesigned the camera app, moving most of the controls to the bottom of the screen to make it easier to use with one hand. The recent Slash overview screen has also been updated and now looks similar to the app switcher on iOS. The videos also showcase the vertical app drawer, which was previously an optional feature in the Home module of the Good Lock app. Good Lock allows for much more in-depth customization compared to what is normally available on Samsung phones. The Settings app has also been slightly redesigned along with the battery indicator, both of which were hinted at in earlier leaks. Many of the new features like the split notification panel, the updated camera interface, and the new color theme in the Gallery app seem inspired by Apple's iOS. Whether that's a good or bad thing depends on personal preference. However, as long as everything is user-friendly and functions well, most people probably won't mind having some iOS-like features on their Samsung phones. One UI 7 also seems to include smoother animations, which is another improvement that rumors had suggested. Overall, this update looks like one of the most significant in recent years, making the wait for its release even tougher. Now let's talk about the release of One UI 7. Samsung disappointed fans today by announcing that One UI 7, based on Android 15, won't come out until next year alongside the Galaxy S25.
And the official version of One UI 7, with all of game-changing AI features, will be released next year with the next Galaxy S series.
Samsung disappointed fans by announcing this update is expected to be a big one with a completely new design. While some users are upset about the delay, others are glad Samsung is taking its time to make sure the update is polished instead of rushed. At their annual developer conference, Samsung shared a basic overview of the update, but for those who want more details, Sam Mobile got a chance to test One UI 7 on a Galaxy S24 Ultra. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.